Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the shortest distance from a point to the line. So the question is, determine the shortest distance from the point 5, 2 to the line represented by y equals to 2x plus 1. So this equation of a line is written in slope and y-intercept form, so we don't have to rearrange. If it's not written in slope and y-intercept form, then you can rearrange into y equals to mx plus b. So first we're going to find out the negative reciprocal of the slope, which is given for this line. So the slope of this line is given as 2, and then slope of a new line is equal to negative 1 over 2, because we have a point given which is 5, 2, and then the equation of a line given, so we can draw a line which is y equals to 2x plus 1. Then what we can do is we can use the given point, which is 5, 2, and the negative reciprocal slope to find the y-intercept. So first I will write the equation of a line. I will use the slope, negative 1 over 2, and I have the point 5 and 2. That means 5 is x and 2 is y. So I will write here 2 equals to negative 1 over 2 times 5 plus b. Then I can solve for b. Negative 1 times 5, and if there is nothing, it's 1. It means we are multiplying it. So negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. 2 times 1 is 2 plus b. Now I can take negative 5 over 2 to the left side of the equal sign. I'm going to change the sign. So it will be 5 over 2 equals to b. Now I can take the LCM or the LCD. It's 2. So I can multiply this by 2, this by 2. It will be 2 times 2 is 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2 equals to b. And we can add 4 and 5, which is 9 over 2 equals to b. So we got the y-intercept. We have the slope, which is here. We can write the equation of a line. Y equals to negative 1 over 2x. The y-intercept is 9 over 2. So that's the equation of a new line using the negative reciprocal slope and the new y-intercept. Now we're going to use the equation of a line, the new one, and the equation of a line which is given in the question, and we're going to find out POI, which is point of intersection, either substitution or elimination method. So we have two equations. I will label them. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I'm going to use the substitution method. That means I will substitute equation number 1 in equation number 2. So equation number 1 is given as y equals to 2x plus 1. So instead of y in equation number 2, I will substitute 2x plus 1. And then negative 1 over 2x is already there, plus 9 over 2. Now I will solve for x. I will bring the terms with x to the left side of the equal sign, and the constant terms to the right side of the equal sign, I will take the LCM, times 2, times 2, same thing here, times 2, times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and there is x. 1 times x is x, over 2, 9 over 2 minus 2 over 2. So it will be 5x over 2 is equal to 7 over 2. We can do the cross multiplication. 5x times 2 is 10x equals to 2 times 7 is 14. I will divide both sides by 10. It will be 14 over 10. Then I can reduce this fraction. Divide this by 2, divide 10 by 2. It will be 7 over 5. Now we got the value of x. I can substitute this value in one of the equations. One was the given equation, one is the new one. I will substitute in the given one, which is y equals to 2x plus 1, and I will solve for y. I will do it on the side. Y equals to 2x plus 1. Instead of x, I will substitute 7 over 5 plus 1, 14 over 5 plus 1. Again, I will take the LCM. over 5 plus 5 over 5. Y is equal to 19 over 5. Therefore, POI, which is the point of intersection, is 7 over 5 and 19 over 5. Now I will take POI, which we found using substitution, and the point 5, 2, and we can find out the shortest distance by using the distance formula. So first I will write the distance formula. Lowercase d is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So I'm going to label them first. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I can substitute these numbers into the formula. x2 is 7 over 5, x1 is 5, y2 is 19 over 5, y1 is 2. Then I will take the LCM because one is a fraction, another one is a whole number. Same thing for this one. LCM is 5, so I will multiply this with 5 and 2 with 5. So it will be 7 minus 25 over 5, square it, 19 minus 10 over 5, and then square. Then I will subtract 7 and 25. I have negative 18 over 5, and we have to square it. 19 minus 10 is 9 over 5. We're going to square it. If I will square negative 18, which means negative 18 times negative 18, it will give me 324. When I square 5, it means 5 times 5, it will be 25. 9 squared is 81. 5 squared is 25. Now the denominators are same, we can add them. So the common denominator is 25. If I add 324 and 81, it will be 405. And at this point, what you can do is you can reduce if you want. So 405 divided by 5. If I want to divide this by 5, this by 5, it will be 81, and this will be 5. And then I can write this as square root of 81 over square root of 5. Square root of 81 is 9, and square root of 5. We're just going to leave it like that. Therefore, the distance, the shortest distance from the point 5, 2 to the line represented by y equals to 2x plus 1 is equal to 9 over square root of 5. And we are done with this question. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video.